Hello students, welcome to Computology Academy. Today we will see about the mutations of coronavirus. So recently there has been seen that there is a spike in the cases of coronavirus infection, and in many areas or many states in India there has been a severe increase in the coronavirus infection cases, like the states in Maharashtra, Delhi, Gujarat, Telangana, etc. So this is the case which is going on right now, and this may be because of the seasonal changes, and there is the changes in the temperature and the pressure condition as well as the humidity in the atmosphere, and because of that what happens, the immunity system or the system of the human body to cope up with the viruses, to be resistant to the viruses, gets changed because of this seasonal changes, and due to this there may be a spike in the cases of the coronavirus infection. But there are also various other things which should be looked after. So here we can see that there is a unique double mutation of the coronavirus variant that has been found in India. So what does this double mutation means? The double mutation means that there was first of all a mutation in the coronavirus, and that mutated variant again mutated and it get more resistant to the immune system of the human body as well as to the vaccines. So the Indian SARS-CoV-2 Consortium of Genomics. This is a consortium of 10 laboratories throughout India which are collecting the samples from different regions, and they are doing the genome sequencing. So this genome sequencing, after the study of the sequence of the genomes of some strands of this virus, what has been found that there are two variants. These are the two variants, E484Q and L5452R. These are the technical numbers or the variant numbers that has been given to these new variants of the coronavirus that has mutated and formed a new strain of the virus. So these are more infectious, these are more resistant to the human immune system, and they are also may be resistant to the coronavirus vaccines, as it has been seen in various countries that the mutated viruses are more resistant to the vaccines rather than the original virus that had spread in the last year situation. But this SARS-CoV-2, the new variant, the mutated variant, has been given the name SARS-CoV-2. These variants are more resistant, and in the Maharashtra, state of Maharashtra, there has been 200 samples that have shown the mutation. Thereafter, some samples have shown the mutation in Delhi, Gujarat, Punjab, etc. So this is the situation right now, and recently we have seen that these are the states which are facing the spike in the cases of new COVID cases, and Maharashtra is the state which is leading in the cases of new COVID infection. Thereafter, in Delhi also, from last 2 days there are more than 1000 cases that has been reporting in the last 2 days, and this is the same case which is being faced in Punjab and Gujarat also. So this may be because of this mutated COVID strand which is being more infectious to the people, and because of that there might be spike in the new cases of coronavirus. So here we can see that in UK 736 mutated strands or the samples of the mutated virus has been found. In South Africa there were 34, in Brazil 1, and in case of India the exact data has not been released, but more than 200 samples are in Maharashtra. So it might be so that there may be more than 500 mutated cases may be there. So why this is a matter of concern? This is a matter of concern because the mutated virus may be more resistant to the COVID vaccine, or the COVID vaccine may not be so much effective. The efficacy may not be so much that it can reduce the infection, cases of infection, and because of that the current situation of pandemic may prevail. So it is a matter of concern. So here we came to know about the mutated condition of the coronavirus vaccine. Do subscribe our channel for more informative videos and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload the new videos, and do follow us on Instagram as well as on Telegram. Thank you very much and have a nice day.